Hi there. Let's walk through the Minecraft Education Support Center together and how to use and access the knowledge base articles, as well as how to contact support directly if you ever have a question or need help with Minecraft education. Our team wants you to find success. Now, the first area we're going to explore is what's new. In what's new, you're going to find information about our latest updates, betas, and other recent changes. And then in Get Set Up, here, this is where you can learn to start your school or classroom's journey using Minecraft education. You'll find answers to things about pricing, installation, and system requirements. And then in Learn to Play, if you're a tech coach or an educator looking to bring all the features of Minecraft education into your classroom and how to optimize them, check out this area. If you are looking for specifics, you can always search for them here at the top or use our support forums. In our support forums, you can give feedback about the beta, getting support about coding. If you have a technical problem, submit that here. Or if you have an idea you want to see in Minecraft education, we want to hear about it. You might even find it in a future update. There's even a support page on how to submit a support request. In here, every support page will have information, additional links, and then even at the bottom of every page, there'll be an option to submit a request if you need more help. At the top of the page, there's even a link here for the Teachers Lounge. You'll find and connect with educators all around the world who are creating game-changing learning experiences for all, and again, want you to find success. There's more to learn. Check out our Minecraft Teacher Academy courses and other learning opportunities at aka.ms/MC Get Trained.